A neighborhood is going to court to bring a beloved golf course back to life, but their fight to restore Eaglemont has not been without setbacks, including claims of religious intolerance.
And most recently, acts of violence. Fox 13's Frankie Thompson is in Mount Vernon to break down the contentious history of that property.
An upcoming trial here at the Skagit County Courthouse will settle a legal battle over the Eaglemont Golf Course, or what's left of it anyway. The course clubhouse in Mount Vernon was severely vandalized.
Well over 100 windows shattered last week. A fire was started outside here. There's probably $250,000 of damage.
Damage that's just as bad on the inside as it is the outside. Mount Vernon police arrested a man suspected for the vandalism at Eaglemont Golf Course. As shocking as it looks, neighbors say they saw this coming.
It was predictable. We knew this was going to happen. The owner nor the lender have taken any effort whatsoever to secure this place or provide any kind of security.
By the time Kent Haberly moved to the neighborhood, the public golf course closed in 2020 during the pandemic. Beacon Hill International Ministries bought the property in 2022 on a $3 million loan.
When they purchased it, it was in pristine condition, beautiful condition. It had been maintained, but not open for golf. And once they took over, they mowed and did some maintenance for a while, and then it just stopped. The golf course has been unmaintained for months on end. We've got weeds 3 feet high on the greens. I mean, it's just ridiculous. It's a tragedy, really.
An attorney representing Beacon Hill says their client purchased the property with plans to convert it to a faith-based retreat. But Haberly and area homeowners say the land was always intended for a public golf course and cited the city's original ordinance permitted in 1992. As the property continued slumping into disrepair, Haberly says he and other homeowners tried convincing Beacon Hill and their loan lender to foreclose, but got no answers.
Over a couple of month period, decided we had no other option but to force this into a receivership.
Haberly and his neighbors filed a lawsuit in March. Beacon Hill's attorney says she believes there is an element of religious discrimination in this case, saying she disagrees with their points of equitable servitude for the space.
The purpose of the lawsuit is to force a sale to somebody who will then open and operate the golf course. And we know there are interested parties. We keep hearing from possible buyers, but they can't do anything until the receiver's appointed.
The possibility of a receiver will now be determined in court. Ahead of a trial scheduled for 2024, Beacon Hill's attorney says she's working with the plaintiff's attorneys to discuss possible solutions. Haberly says the only answer is returning Eaglemont to its glory.
It is a gem. I mean, it could be a gem. It's in rough shape, obviously, right now. Can be redone. It can be reopened. There's a possibility here. So, but that's our end goal. And I know the homeowners aren't going to give up.
The trial to appoint a receiver of the property is scheduled for January 22nd. Reporting in Mount Vernon, Frankie Thompson, Fox 13 News.